Hey everyone, Rod the Tool Guy here at ARES Garage and Workshop. I'm here to tell you about an awesome tool. Our 15007 and 15008 offset wrench sets are totally cool. When I first saw these, I knew I wanted them in my toolbox. I saw a solution to problems that I'd had in the past and a way to speed things up. And let's face it, the faster way, the better way. So let's take a look at these guys. Okay, so in the 15007 set, it's your basic tool, and you get the necessary adapters. You get a 3/8 adapter, you get a 1/4 inch adapter, you've got 3/8 square drive on this guy right here, and it gives you 12 inches of center-to-center working area. So it's got a nice lightweight aluminum housing, but it's very durable, and it's got a chain drive inside here. It makes it durable and strong. You will really appreciate this thing. So now on the 15008, which is our expanded set, you get 2 of the 3/8 drive adapters, 1 of the 1/4, and this awesome low profile socket set. It offers coverage from 8 to 17 millimeter. Just having this offset wrench is awesome enough, but then when you add the low profile sockets, you got a great tool package. This tool is great for getting those fasteners in confined areas. And you know, the times when you have limited swing, what we've referred to as degrees of arc, I don't care if you've got one of these guys on here, you can't get down there because you're going clank, clank, clank. There's no room to operate your tool. And so that's where a guy like this comes in real handy. And so you can grab your power tool, put it on here, hook whatever socket adapter you need, and there you go. Fast and easy. It makes it easy to get at those oil filters up in those hot engines, drain plugs, all sorts of fasteners. It keeps you from busting your knuckles down in there when you're reaching down in there with your regular style ratchets, you know, going after things. And it just is really helpful because there's nothing like that feeling of getting your hand slammed against a cold engine in the morning. Yeah. So, and you know, things like getting after your tensioners and your idlers, it makes it easy getting at those guys, your pinch bolts, all that kind of stuff. And one of the other things I like to do is I will get one of my 1/4 drive adapters and for the bits and put it on here, and it makes it even more versatile. So all the bits I have will fit into this when you do it, and there you go. Easy way to go. It makes it nice and fast. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little demonstration on getting in there with this and then using this and see how much better it is. So we'll get resituated around here in a second and show you what I'm talking about. So down here, it's kind of hard to see. There it is, the pinch bolt for the adjustment of the alternator belt. So that's what I got to get at and loosen. So when you go down with a conventional setup, you can see you got limited amount of swing here, and it makes it very difficult. I'm getting one click on my ratchet. So if I convert to the other system, and I'm going to go ahead and put my battery powered ratchet on here and get down in there on that. Bingo, there you go. You're up out of there much faster, much easier. So whether you're a do-it-yourselfer or a professional, a tool like this is a lifesaver. No busted knuckles, no burns on hot engines, and a back saver. You're not bending over so far. All this adds up to a faster and easier way to get the job done. And that's a plus in my book. So whether you're doing it by power or cranking it by hand, this thing's gonna help you out. Thanks for watching. Register your tool. Sign up for our tool club. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you next time.